News 18 with me, Griha. We are in fact shifting our focus for the bit as we are now getting in news from Tamil Nadu, and we're learning that the Tamil Nadu BJP President K. Annamalai is currently holding protests against the DMK administration in the state. In fact, he is whipping himself, as you can see in these visuals, and these are horrid visuals that we are presenting to you. This is Annamalai whipping himself over DMK government's handling of the Anna University assault case. Remember, and you have party workers going on and hugging him so that he doesn't hurt himself. This is also where Annamalai was seen barefoot following his vow to not wear footwear until the DMK was ousted from power.
Anybody understanding the Tamil culture will always know these are all part of the land. Flogging ourselves, punishing ourselves, putting ourselves through a very tough rhythm is all part of this culture. And this is not against any person, not against anything. It is against the continuous injustice that is happening in the state. And what has happened in the Anna University is only a tipping point. If you look at what is happening in the last 3 years, continuous injustice against common people, against women, against children, high corruption that is happening, and more importantly, the administrative inefficiency in which the common men are affected every single day. Inefficiency of government hospital is costing the lives of somebody. So yesterday we have announced it, and I have chosen to go the path which a lot of my forefathers have walked in this path.
My colleague Purnima is with us on the broadcast. Purnima, that is a very strong statement that's been made by Annamalai. He's going ahead with his penance protest.
Absolutely. In fact, today Annamalai started the whiplash agitation. This to ensure that justice is served in the case of a sexual assault case as far as Anna University complaint is concerned. Remember, a 19-year-old girl had complained that she was sexually harassed. Her male friend was also attacked, and ever since the complaint was registered, there was an FIR registered. One was arrested. The other person is still absconding, and therefore protests are escalating. And BJP State President Annamalai in a press conference yesterday in Coimbatore had said that he will begin the whiplash agitation. He will whip himself 6 times because he's ashamed of the way the things are panning out as far as Anna University sexual assault case is concerned. He also said that he's going to go on a 48-day fast and will visit a Murugan temple going forward. He will not wear shoes till the DMK government takes responsibility, till there's a change of governance. He said that he's going to go on an agitation. So it started today at his residence in Coimbatore, where he flogged himself 6 times, and that's a message to the DMK government in terms of how the law and order situation has turned out in Tamil Nadu ever since the DMK came to power. And protests meanwhile is also escalating. Remember the AIADMK staged protests yesterday. They also were planning protests today, but in view of Dr. Manmohan Singh's death, they cancelled it. But you can see a lot of political protests as well as student organizations protesting. Here in Nandanam Arts College a short while ago, students staged protests saying that investigation has been happening in a very slow pace and there's no safety for women. Several incidents have been happening over the last 1 year, but women are not safe, and these protests, they say, is only going to escalate further. Political backlash and student community backlash is what the DMK government is facing at this moment.
Right. Also, Purnima, the fact that Annamalai had taken to Twitter and he posted a picture of the accused in the sexual assault case along with Udayanidhi Stalin. How is the DMK responding to all of that?
Well, the DMK categorically has denied any links of the accused with the DMK. In fact, the DMK is maintaining distance, saying that the accused is not related to the DMK and is not part of the DMK. Several people take pictures, and that doesn't mean that they are closely linked to the DMK. That's the word that's coming in from the DMK, even as the party faces backlash. Remember, when the FIR was in fact leaked, there was in the FIR, as per the complaint filed by the 19-year-old Anna University student, she said that there was someone else also involved, and they were trying to threaten her. They videotaped her, and they said that there'll be another person who she has to please. So that's something that she mentioned in the FIR. And after that, so far only one person has been arrested. The other person is still absconding, and that's why you can see the kind of backlash that the DMK government is facing. There have been pictures released by the BJP saying that the accused is closely linked with the DMK. However, the DMK categorically has denied so far, and they said that all the accused in this case will be arrested, and there will be strong action taken in this case, is the word that's coming from Chief Minister, and the DMK distancing itself from linking the party with the accused, saying that there have been no links and it's only politically motivated statements coming in from the BJP.
And about this penance protest, Purnima, the fact that Annamalai is whipping himself 6 times, he also claims that he is not going to have food or water till for about 48 hours. And every member, every leader's house of Bharatiya Janata Party, there is going to be a protest outside till the DMK administration is removed from power. Anything that you're learning that the Stalin administration really has said in this regard?
Well, the DMK so far has maintained that strict action will be taken, and stringent punishment will be given to those involved in sexually assaulting a 19-year-old student from Anna University, and no one will be spared. That's the word that's coming from the DMK, and they've also denied links between the accused and the party. However, you can see the kind of political protests as well as student communities protests that have panned out over the last 48 hours. Annamalai in fact says that he will not wear shoes till the DMK is removed from power, and he's also going on